Hi, it's Zoe, and welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. Today we're making Morning Glory Cookies. So get those cookie sheets out and let's get to baking. But before we do that, here's the ingredients you need. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. NBC Nightly News for Kids asked me to make a special treat for the first day of remote school, and I'm honored to do that. I'm so excited, and it's actually not that bad being homeschooled. I've been homeschooled for about 3 years now. It's really fun. It means extra food, basically. First thing we're going to do is wash our hands. And remember to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. So yeah, we're making the Morning Glory Cookies, and they're really yummy for breakfast, and they're super healthy too. So first in a mixing bowl, we're going to mix together flour, sea salt, baking soda, coconut, and cinnamon. In a separate mixing bowl, now we're going to mix together almond butter, maple syrup, eggs, and vanilla extract. To the wet mixture and adding the remaining ingredients in. Now we're going to use the cookie dough and drop it onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet, which we already did. And you can make it any size you want, but I'm making 12 large cookies. So here we go. Once you're done getting them on the sheets, speaking of sheets, I had to get another one because I wanted my cookies big. So now we're going to bake them for 15 minutes.
$2,000 years later.
They're done. Now we get to take them out. But before we eat them, we have to let them cool for 5 minutes. Now it's time for our professional taste tester. Come here. How is it? Rating from 1 to 10? 10. Yum. Now, Zoe needs to try one. They're good. Alright. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Wait a minute. Sit right there, don't move. We forgot to do a dance. The back to school dance. That's special, jeez. So I'm gonna call it the back to back dance.